Did you give birth to the child, or are you the father? Because ultimately, that's a huge distinction. In paternity law, when a woman gives birth to a child, we have no question as to the maternity of the children or this child, and therefore she's got a ton of rights. She's got decision-making rights, she has the right to have the child, she has the right to control who else has access to the child. But if you are helped procreate this child, but you are not the mother, then you have no rights until we establish custody or establish the paternity, and then you start getting your rights bestowed upon you in a court of law. But without a court order, the men have no rights and the women have all the rights. That's just the way it is under the biology of that circumstance. When the child's born, if you are this male that right now is realizing you got no rights, if you guys signed a recognition of parentage in the hospital, that goes a long way towards accelerating the paternity establishment for reasons I won't talk about here. But let's just say that if that's something you want and you did that, that is advantageous. And vice versa, like child's not born yet, that's something that you should be thinking about, and that will be offered by the nurses in the hospital. Outside of that, then we've got to get started on a court order for you to have your rights. That's the way in which you start getting your guaranteed court-ordered parenting time and be able to have a chance to share in this decision-making that happens for the medical reasons, the educational, eventually the religious designations, and so on.